Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. Today's video is actually a video request. I got multiple people asking me how to factory reset the Tanggula X5 box. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset it. So first thing you want to do, we're going to head over to settings. Device, preferences, press OK. Now we're going to go to About, press OK. Right here, your second option, factory reset. So when you're ready, press OK. Now it's going to give you this option right here. Hey guys, before you factory reset this, just want you guys to know this will erase everything. You will lose any third-party apps. You will also lose the Tanggula app. You're going to have to reinstall the Tanggula app. By resetting this, it's not pre-installed in the box. You will have to pre-install it. So make sure you find the serial number on the bottom of the box before you do this factory reset. Okay, that being said, head down to factory reset, press OK, erase everything. So once you're ready, press OK. And the box is going to reboot. We're going to get the Tanggula message back up. Now it's erasing everything. This whole process will take about a minute or two. The good thing about doing this is if you're having issues with your box, which I know a lot of people have, it does clean out the box. I noticed my box worked a lot better by doing the factory reset. So there's your X5 series. Now just give it a few more seconds and we should get our page back up. So there you go. So now we have to re-enter our app. So there's two ways of doing it. Give it a few more seconds. It's installing some apps still. Okay, so once your box reloads all the way back up, now we're going to have to reinstall the Tanggula app. And there's two apps that we need to install. There's two ways of doing it. Either load the APK onto a USB, which I believe is a little bit quicker, or what we do is we go to apps, go to Google. I'm just going to say no thank you. And over here, you do need to use the mouse option on the remote control, so make sure you hit to activate it. And now you're going to punch in the link. You remove the mouse just so it's a little bit quicker. Once you finish typing in the first one, press OK on the magnifying glass. And over here, pick Chrome. I like to do just once. Once again, now you're going to hit the mouse again on the remote and head over to download. Head over to OK. Now we're going to hit open. You could disable the mouse. Head over to install. Now we're just going to hit done for now. We're not going to open it. Now we're going to open the mouse again and head all the way to the top. Okay, we're going to get to the search bar again. So now we're going to remove the mouse. Now we're going to type in the second one. Okay, so once you finish typing that in, now let's head over to the arrow, go. Once again, activate the mouse, press the mouse button on the remote. So head over to download, right here, press OK. Back to OK. Just gotta wait for this to finish downloading. Head over to install. You could remove the mouse option. The next couple steps, we don't need it anymore. Right here, now hit done. Now let's hit the home button on the remote. Now let's go to apps. We go to the bottom. So here's the two apps we just installed. So you cannot open Tang TV just yet. We have to go to the TGG updater. Press OK. Now look for the serial number, which is at the bottom of the box, and punch it in. I'm going to enter mine now. Hit confirm. If you did it correctly, you're going to get this message. Now press OK. Now if you head over back to Tang TV, allow. Okay, so now we're going to head over to settings. All the way to the bottom, switch device mode. Make sure you click on TV. Now save changes. Saved. Now you can hit return. If you guys are having problems with the EPG, you might as well, since we're here, go to EPG, press OK. Where it says not downloaded, go up, refresh EPG. Yes. This will take a few seconds as well. There you go. So the EPG is downloaded. So now we just hit the return key, and that's it. We exit out of here, go back to the home page, hit the little plus button. Just look for our app. It's right here. Press OK. Now return, and it's added now. So that's how you factory reset the Tanggula X5 box. That's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.